Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2014 Jeep Grand Cherokee. Starting right away up front, on the front end you have factory fog lamps, chrome grille. A look down the passenger side, you have alloy wheels. Those are wrapped with Goodyear Wrangler tires. Inside, leather interior. Seats are very clean all the way throughout. Up top you have a sunroof. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. Dual point exhaust, rear backup sensors and a camera, and you have a factory trailer hitch on the back. Taking a look in the hatch, there's a 60-40 split on the back seats, so you can fold those down if you need more room. Power assist lift gate, so with simply the press of that button, hatch folds itself down just like that. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, audio, Bluetooth, and cruise controls. Full touchscreen that includes your stereo, dual climate control, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Grand Cherokee on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All of this and more at holidayautomotive.com.